going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. Take a look. As you can see, we do have the Air Jordan 9 Breds on deck. We are going to get into this detailed review and the arm feet, so stay tuned for that arm feet at the end of the video. Big shout out to my brother Holy Sneaks, man. Y'all already know all his information be in the description. And before I get into this review, guys, of these Air Jordan 9 Breds, I do want to talk to you guys about something. I want to talk to you guys about an application that I've been using. It's called Poshmark. Poshmark, you can see what it looks like on the top of the screen right there. Really cool application, guys. Poshmark is basically an application for selling and buying things that you have. Anything with fashion, you can post it on Poshmark to buy vintage things. The app has a really nice interface, you know, easy to sell, easy to buy. It also has other cool features like you could create closets and things like that that people can see. Take a look. As you can see, this is my profile right here. Bunch of things in my closet. I'm selling some Jordans right here. When you want to sell, all you have to do is sell. You click on that, take a picture, post a description about what you want to sell, upload it, and you're good to go. Very great application for selling anything old that you have. Yeah, got some sweaters I got posted, got a jacket, got a pair of Yeezys for sale. It shows you the feed of people, things they're selling, shows you shop, sell. It's just a really cool application to browse and shop. So you can find discontinued clothes and clothes that, you know, that the store doesn't have anymore. A place where you can sell your old clothes and you can make money off of it. So I would like it for all you guys to go in the description, click the link. The link will take you straight to Poshmark where you can download the application. Go download the app and check it out. You know, give your boy a follow. You can download it on your Android and your Apple devices. But enough talking. We're about to get straight into this review of these Air Jordan 9 Breds. Now, so we're going to get straight into it. Y'all know how I do. For all y'all box heads out there, take a look. Typical Jordan box, nothing special. Inside the box comes your regular 23 paper. Look at that size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 9 Retro. The colorway is Black University Red. Retails $190. These released March 10th. Take a look. The Air Jordan 9 Bred. Alright, we're going to start off with this one right here. As you guys can see, shoes just basically black and red. Starting off, front of the toe, you got a nice smooth leather. Leather's okay, it's nice and smooth. It's not the best leather in the world, you know. You got your patent leather that wraps around the whole shoe. Also comes up over here by the ankle area, as you guys can see. Alright, you got your black laces coming up on the tongue. You got your Air Jordan in red. Take a look at the midsole. On the midsole, we got an all black midsole. Over here, we do have a red Jumpman. Now, we do have a nice leather upper. The leather's pretty good. It's not the best, but it's alright, you know. Let's take a look at the medial side of the shoe, same as the lateral. You got your leather upper, patent leather, with your black midsole. Back of the shoe, you got the patent leather does continue to the back of the shoe where you got your 23. You got your globe in red, pull tab in black. Just looking really fresh, man. That back just looks nice, man. The patent leather just gives this shoe a nice pop. Inside the shoe, take a look. Inside, you got your red Jumpman, black inner sole. Sock line is in black. Bottom of the shoe, you got your red Jumpman. Whole bottom is blacked out. It's kind of like a smoke, kind of black. It's like a smoked out black in the bottom. You got the languages right there. And you do got the globe. And you got your Chinese lettering right here. Typical Air Jordan 9 bottom. Yeah, man, gave you guys the review on the Air Jordan 9 Breds. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. Also, do not forget to download Poshmark. Links will be in the description. That'll take you straight to the application where you can download it. We're going to get into this on feet. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you guys, all you guys out there. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram. Hit that thumbs up. It's your boy DS Dan, man. Let's get into this on feet. And I'm gone.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.